Aloha everyone. Today we're at the Pasifika food festival at the Tacoma Dome. Let's go.
Like Silhouette said, we are at the Pasifika 2022 for Seattle and Tacoma and all of Washington State food festival. It's across the road. We're by the Tacoma Dome, which is where they have concerts and sometimes sporting events and stuff like that. And it's not as big as the one in Seattle, obviously, but this is just south of Seattle a little bit. So what we didn't realize, since the brochures all said the Tacoma Dome, we thought it was inside with air conditioned, but it is outside. So that's good and bad. It's nice because we don't have to worry about, I don't know, being crowded in a dome. But it's bad because it is supposed to be 98 degrees today to 100. Oh, look what we have here. That looks delicious. Hey. Hey. That looks good. I don't know where we're gonna eat at, but we're probably gonna get a lot of food from every place. That's the huli huli style. They were at the other festival. They're doing tattoos here. Tattoos. I told Acapella she should get her tattoo now. She's 15. Time for a tattoo. So they got like live music playing. They got Community Association of the Pacific Islanders here. Got jewelry. I'm sure if Mom was here, she wanted me to buy her something. I don't know what I'm going to buy her. This is some interesting stuff. Papauan, it said Papauan. So this is all Pacific islands, not just the traditional. It's also the outlying islands as well, Marshall Islands, everything. So this would be fun to get a cornhole. There's the 49ers and that all blacks for life. That's pretty cool.
Next up, we have the Cook Islands for you.
Oh, someone's singing a Cook Island song here. I think Faye, you from the Cook Islands, right? Or you've been there? You got family there?
We already see them.
A lot of really nice stuff to look at here. It seems like it'd be a lot of fun, but it is scorching hot. We got to pick up some flags before we leave. Tongan Pride, Samoan Certified, American Samoan, Tonga Certified, Polynesian Pride. I got to keep talking because the music in the background, I don't want to be copyrighted, so I have to keep talking. Sorry about that. This little company here is called OG on God. That's pretty cool. OG, showing you a little bit of the dancing up there while the person's singing, or the dancers are listening to music maybe. But again, I can't, I have to keep talking because it will be copyrighted eventually if you have too much music and you're not talking over it. This is a cute shirt right here with the Kava bowl on it. That's nice. So we see a bunch of stuff that we want to buy. There's one booth that wants me to, or is going to let me film there and show what they do. They hand make playing cards from the different Pacific cultures. They're super nice. And I also found a place where there's a Kava bowl. So I still want a Kava bowl just for decoration. It's so cute. They have different sizes. I'll probably get like a 12-inch one just to put up somewhere. Look, honey, they got a place called Teine Tacos. That's pretty cool. We'll have to stop by there too. Sorry about the generator sound, but there's actually a truck here called Taste of Samoa. We definitely have to try to get something here as well. Oh, they got the little flag. They got a line. All right, we're coming back there. The first place I'm gonna get something to eat is the Palusami Fale. You know I love Palusami, so I have to stop here. Malo?
What can we get for you?
Well, my favorite's Palusami, but I normally make it with Pisipo.
Oh yeah.
But I'll take the coconut one with the fa'i. Eoy. So here's the different things on their menu. I'm filming, sorry.
Oh, okay. Yeah, don't worry.
There we go. They got a whole big operation here. taco with a pisupo. I gotta get that one. And we'll get a rice bowl too. No, go ahead. Go ahead. Too low. We'll put you on YouTube probably Saturday, next Saturday. That's me and my wife's YouTube channel. Of course, she's Samoan because it's too hot for her. I'm like, what? So, you can have the change. Yeah. Everything. Yeah, so we're just waiting for my corned beef taco and some musubi. And so we're standing under the shade here because it is getting super hot out. You can see poor silhouette, her face is all getting flushed. Oh, check this out. That is so cute. We were gonna wait till we get home to do the taste test, but I don't think it's a wait because it's don't have a cover. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe eat in the truck. All right, let me get going. There you go. Certified G. I'm gonna get an extra large. I get one for mom, but she don't like stickers.
Alright, so I owe you $23. Here you go.
Yeah, you keep it.
Really? Oh, much appreciated.
Yeah. We're giving out big tips today. Oh, gotta get some silverware. So there's our 2 Teine Tacos. One is pork, and there's 2 chicken, and plus they're gonna throw in some corn for free because I gave them, you know, a huge tip. And also I ordered something else. I can't remember what it was, but they're getting it for me. Hi, this is the owner of Teine Tacos.
Teine Tacos here. I'm Wheeler from Fairway Independent Mortgage. I utilize my Teine Taco stand to basically give back to the youth of the community. I
Awesome.
sponsor a bunch of the youth programs and individually for every youth that is trying to play basketball, football. We want to keep them off the street, whatever keeps them alive. So this is total for profit for my nonprofit and totally for the kids, for the community.
Well, I'm glad we gave a donation.
Yeah, but buy your house from me.
Yeah. You'll see it on Wednesday.
Thank you.
It'll be on YouTube.
Wednesday. Thank you.
Oh, I can't. I'm not going to take this home. I'm going to eat this now. All right. So,
community engagement.
oh my God. This is such good corn.
Community care, civic engagement, and cultural stewardship.
I'm sorry, honey, but I can't bring this home to you. You won't even know about it till the video.
provides the bodies of our queer and trans youth. And so as a Pacific Islander, as a trans person, I am obligated.
All right. You might have to talk loud. You want me to tell you about your business?
Yeah, so my name is Lex. We own LEKZ 55. We are a t-shirt company primarily, but we do a lot of art. Everything that we have is culturally inspired and fused into a lot of popular things and stuff that we find important to us, including our deck of cards, t-shirts, stickers, prints. Our website has a whole lot of things we weren't able to bring, but yeah, that's what we do.
Awesome. Yeah, and we're going to buy a deck of these cards.
Yeah.
They have Samoan culture, they have Maori culture, they have Hawaiian culture, they have Tongan culture. Anything else besides those 4?
There's the 2 jokers are Tahitian and Fijian.
Oh, the jokers are Tahitian and what?
Fijian, yeah.
Fijian.
Yeah.
All right. All right, we're gonna buy that. All right. Thank you so much. Silhouette wants something from here. We're seeing what she wants. Yeah, pick out whatever you want.
The red and blue one.
Which one? Point to it. Oh, that's pretty. It's a hair comb, right? Okay. Yeah. She wants a hair comb.
Red and blue.
The red one and a blue one.
Yeah.
Okay, both.
That one's for mom.
Oh, that's nice of you. Should we get mom a Samoa bracelet? And we'll get the thin one.
Yeah, you got the thin ones are.
Yeah, that's kind of tight. I want the thin ones too. What's that? What about it? You want her to get her that instead?
Yeah.
Okay, and that. So you want the red and blue for you, right?
Sure.
Okay. You're Samoan?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to tell me about your business?
Yeah. Oh, it's my aunt.
Huh?
Yeah. It's my auntie's. I'm
Your
just
auntie's business?
volunteering for her.
You're volunteer? That's nice.
Yeah,
And does she make all these by hand?
Yeah, some of them.
Oh,
And
some of them. It's really nice.
Some she traveled to Hawaii and bought it,
That's
brought it
wonderful.
with her.
Well, thank you. We're gonna put the video on Wednesday on our channel.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. On
Yeah,
YouTube?
yeah, YouTube.
Oh, okay.
It's a G bag of a massive T-Rex of a speaker, Bluetooth speaker.
Do you want to tell me about your business a little bit?
It's donated by Fairway Wheeler. Teine Tacos.
Yeah, it's nice that you have these bowls. That you order them online, they're even more expensive. So.
Yeah, so majority of our, well, all of our items are from Samoa.
Right.
And our family helps with getting these things done.
Oh, very nice.
I just moved here 2 years ago, and so we just decided to bring Taste of Home with us. But I lived in Tutuila.
Oh, Tutuila, that's where my wife was born, at LBJ.
Yeah.
So she moved, though, in 93 to Hawaii, and that's where we met, and we've been married ever since.
Nice.
There's me and my wife's channel. What I put on here, what I recorded you, I'm going to be on Wednesday.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a look.
How much do I owe you?
Okay.
Before I forget.
So you got a fan?
Yeah, a fan in the bowl.
So this is a 12-inch taco.
Yoy.
Raffle winner is 354 4522.
And then a Evie.
Do we have a winner? One more time. Raffle number 354 4522. Going once. Going twice. Okay.
All right, so come to the 212.
Well, let me give you a 20 or something.
All right, here we go. Another raffle. Have your raffle tickets ready. And the winning number is 354
I do.
4558.
Yeah, keep the change.
Oh, okay.
354.
That's your donation for your business.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I'll tune in.
All right, Pasifika.
Okay, pasoy po.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Bye.
That video, this one, I'm pretty sure going to put it out on Wednesday. All right, everyone. I wish I had time to try the huli, but I just cannot carry no more food right now. All right. Until next time. Want to say goodbye?
Bye.
What do you say?
Bye.
Ba. Tofa soifua. Yeah. Tofa soifua. Yeah. Manuia levaso. Alofa too. Yeah. And peace. So at this point, for some reason, the audio went out on our GoPro, but we ate our food. Everything was so good. The corned beef, the musubi. The corned beef was awesome. Musubi was good too. Silhouette ate the other one. We ate those wonderful tacos. I love the pork. Mommy loved the chicken. So we were going to do a mukbang and add that to the video, but the GoPro got worse and it didn't even record after this clip. So after eating all this wonderful food and that baked, I think it was a plantain, and that yummy palusami, I went to take a nap and I thought that was the end. But as you'll see here in a minute, Silhouette wanted us to go back to see her SIVA instructor, and there's her little comb. All right, stay tuned. We got more coming. So it is a little bit after 6 and we're driving back to the festival. Why are we driving back, Silhouette?
So we can see my instructor's fire.
So she can see her instructor's SIVA dance. So JAKO is her instructor. I think in the last video that was on Saturday, you saw just how she did after her first practice. She's did 3 practices total. She's getting a little better every time, but she really likes the family and she's having so much fun. And so hopefully we get there in time and we get to see him perform. If not, then I won't even put this video up. This part of the video. All right. Hi, sir. Tell me about your business you got here.
Oh, this is a little home. What you call it? Hobby.
Yeah. How long have you had your business?
I just started last year.
Oh, last year. Yeah.
Yeah, I was just.
Yeah. Moana's custom crafts. Nice.
Hi.
Malo, le sefua. You're right.
Did you see some of his things that he also made?
Oh, there we
He
go.
does furnitures.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
nice.
That one is like a 3-piece set, a 4-piece set
Okay.
that he made.
That's really nice.
Yeah, that's our bed. The,
Oh,
frame,
wow.
the bed frame is ours. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah,
And do you have a website too?
He hasn't built up his website. He just posts on Facebook.
Oh, on Facebook. Okay.
Messenger.
And there's Facebook and Messenger right there.
Yep.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you. That one, you gotta get time for her.
No, this one's for her. This is from Mama. How long have you had your business?
For a while.
They got a lot of stuff here. And this is all yours?
Also the hats are on sale now.
This is not the one that's
Which one's the best one to get? Samoa. Right? Yeah? No. Me and my wife, or my wife's Samoan. She's Afakasi. And her two sisters are too. Yeah, I like this one?
Yeah, that one. And then also the one with the hats. And I'll give it to you for 45. It's usually 30.
I actually don't wear hats very often, but I'll buy this just to support you.
Oh, thank you.
You want to tell me a little bit about your business? Like where you're from and how long you had your business?
Oh, well, if the owner were here, he's gonna explain more about it. So, Polynesian Pride is close in Edward.
You want to tell me about your business?
Huh?
How long have you had a business?
Over 15 years.
15 years, wow. And where do you originally come from?
Oh, we're from California.
Like,
Yeah.
your nationality, Samoan, Tongan? Ioi.
We're based out of Long Beach.
Oh, Long Beach, yeah.
Brother, get another one, that's a better deal.
How much is that right now, what we got so far?
Right now, you got 40.
It's a big size sarong.
Oh.
You wrap it around you.
Is there any smaller ones or they're all the same size?
This one a little smaller, this one, but that's all I have.
So if you wrapped it around you, it'd fit her? Do you want to show her? Or? Yeah?
This one?
She likes that one. Good job.
Thank you. Make some noise, my brother. Hey, we.
Come on, y'all. Talofa. All right, make some noise. Make some noise. Tim Puleafi was the JAKO world champion fire knife dancing. Oh man, we're Too nice. Go level up. Try this at home, kids. Give it up for JAKO.
All right, we're back in the car. We're ready to go home. She really, well, you tell it. Did you like that?
Yeah, it was really fun.
You like seeing your instructor do the SIVA?
Yeah.
Want to say anything to him?
It was really awesome.
She's shy in the camera. All right. So Pasifika, everyone. Pasifika and peace. All right. I didn't want to not let you guys see up close and personal of the whole deck that Uso made and we bought from them. It's so nice that he did the art for all of these. I almost hate to open them. There's his store name online. Like he said, they mostly design t-shirts, but they're very involved in the artwork, and he did all the artwork for all of these cards, which is just freaking awesome. So let's look at each one. So here we've got the this is the Samoans. See, all the spades are Samoan. We've got the king, the queen. Oh, beautiful artwork. The jack. Then the cards themselves, the normal numbers are just normal cards. And let's look at the Hawaiians, it looks like. Yeah, Hawaiians are hearts. So you got the king, the queen. Ooh, look at the jack, that warrior. Remember, everyone in Hawaii has a little helmet head like this, coconut helmet hanging from their rearview mirror, and I had one too, so it's just a thing. All right, let's look at the clubs. Now let's see, are these Tongans? You tell me. I'm not sure which one they were. I believe these are Tongans though. Yep, look at that. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. And oh, yeah, looks like we got the Maori or King Warrior. Yeah, the princess, see the tatau on her chin. I'm not sure what, tell me in the comments below what the traditional name for that tattoo on the chin of the Maori is. And then we have the Jack, the warrior. And then don't forget the jokers. Aw, look at the beautiful Tahitian dancer. He did such a great job. And then we also have the Fiji warrior. Yeah. Look, that big muscle guy that looks like Ben, Cece's husband. Alright. And it says, hope you enjoy these cards as much as we have enjoyed making them for you. we just want to say thank you in supporting our dreams and family business. Mahalo. And there is his information right there. All right, thanks Uso for making these cards. We sure appreciate them, and I am going to cherish these, and my kids will their whole lives.